Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will be working with curtain walls in Revit. We will go through the process of creating different types of curtain walls. First, let's create a basic wall. Once the wall is created, adjust the elevations and far clipping to ensure that the wall is displayed correctly in your views. Next, we will change all the basic walls to curtain walls. Here you can see Revit has default curtain walls. You can choose standard curtain walls depending upon your requirements. Here you can see all the walls have been changed to curtain walls. Now let's move to the north elevation. Let's move to the east elevation and add grids here. Now add mullions and you can see all the grid options. You can experiment with these options. Now add mullions with the grid line segment, which will allow you to place them only for that particular segment. Let's try with this. There are 3 grid options available here. All segment, 1 segment, Now start adding vertical grids. You can add dimensions and make them equal. You can also add dimensions and change the distance as per your requirements. Do the same for horizontal grids. Now, if you want to change the distance between the grids, just select that particular grid and change the distance and see how it works. Make sure to add mullions once the grids are placed. Switch to the 3D view and check that all changes are properly displayed. Now return to the elevation view. Start placing one segment grid, add some dimensions and adjust the distance. You will notice that the 3D view will reflect these changes.